Introducing the world-first Pi Zero USB docking hub. The Pi Zero USB docking hub comes with 5 USB 2.0 data and charging ports, a micro USB port for power input, RJ45 Ethernet port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. We all love our Pi Zero. It is small, powerful, and very affordable. We made our first 4-port stackable USB hub to let Pi Zero support USB in the most elegant way. Since then, we have shipped over 10,000 units around the world. Well, our 4-ports USB hub is great, but we wanted it better. Our customers tell us that they want more peripheral support and spaces between USB ports for their fat USB devices. Introducing the world-first Pi Zero USB docking hub. The Pi Zero USB docking hub comes with 5 USB 2.0 data and charging ports, a micro USB port for power input, RJ45 Ethernet port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Installation would take only seconds. Just screw in your Pi Zero on top of the docking hub, and the 4 pogo pins on the hub will precisely connect to the signal pads on the Pi. There's no soldering required at all. One of the major issues about bringing USB devices to Pi Zero is power supply through USB. If you are using an external USB hub that doesn't have separate power supply, the power will be delivered from the Pi Zero only. So if you are using some power-hungry devices like USB hard drives, it can easily overload the Pi and cause damage to your system. Each USB port on our docking hub has an industrial-grade electrolytic capacitor to stabilize the voltage and a current-limiting protection circuit to prevent power overload. When the power rail draws more than 2.3 amps of current, overcurrent protection will be triggered with LED indication. The 5 USB ports are spaced over 12 centimeters in length. Even your fattest USB devices can be hosted by the docking hub with ease. You can power up the Pi Zero and the docking hub at the same time. It has a built-in 2-way back-powering circuit to protect against power being plugged into the Pi Zero and the docking hub simultaneously. Wireless is not your cup of tea? Then you would love our docking hub, as it has an Ethernet port for wired networking. No more clumsy USB audio dongle for your Pi Zero project. The built-in audio jack can support both recording and playback, and the jack is compatible with most smartphone headsets. So either you want to build an internet radio or replicate an Alexa personal assistant, the docking hub provides everything you need. The docking hub is compatible with Pi Zero version 1.3 with camera connector and Pi Zero W. We qualify the design with the latest Raspbian OS.
Hi, I'm Ming Lam. About a year ago, we created popular 4-port USB hubs for Pi Zero. After listening to the community, we now create the second generation and call it the Pi Zero docking hub. Not only this Pi Zero docking hub has more USB ports, it comes with the most wanted and built-in peripherals. I hope you can back us on this project and make this Pi Zero docking hub a reality. Thank you for your support.